Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to solve a LeetCode problem called count elements with maximum frequency. So problem statement is, you are given an array nums consisting of positive integers, return the total frequencies of elements in nums such that those elements all have the maximum frequency. The frequency of an element is the number of occurrences of that element in that array. Let me take a whiteboard to explain you guys. So this is our input. If you see in the nums array, 1 came 2 times, 2 came 2 times, 3 came 1 time, and 4 came 1 time. So in this, we are supposed to get the maximum count first. So our maximum count is 2, which is number 1. So we are supposed to add the elements which got the maximum count. So here 2 also got the maximum count. So 2 plus 2, answer will be 4. We are supposed to add the elements which got the maximum count here. Similarly, let me explain you the second one also. There is nothing to explain here. Here every element is repeated, came one time only. So we are supposed to add every element count. Nothing but 5. So how we can approach with this solution is, we will take a hash map and we are going to count the every number occurrence and we will get the maximum occurrence, and then we will finally compute the answer here. Let me declare a hash map here. So syntax to declare hash map is this one, hash map. So inside we need to send the parameters, nothing but data types. Uh, we are going to store both as an integer. Why? Because the elements inside the array is an integer and the data type, the count which we are getting is also an integer. Let the name of the hash map be hm equal to new hash map of. So we have declared the hash map called hm, which stores the data types of integer as a keys and values as an integer. Next we are going to iterate inside using the loop for the arrays for int I colon nums. So here in this I we will get each element from the array nums. Free hm dot put I comma hm dot get or default of I comma 0 plus 1. So hashmap got a method called put, which is used to put inside a hashmap. First, it takes two parameters. First one is key, and the second one is value. So we are sending keys as a the number inside the array and value as a counter. So what this will do is, if there is a already the number present inside the hash map, then it will increment the counter by 1 or it will initialize it to 0. So now we are supposed to compute the maximum occurred element. I mean nothing but 1 has occurred 2 times, right? So we need to compute the 2 here. How we can get that is, let me declare a variable called maximum frequency. So I'm going to use a max function present in collections module. Collections dot max of in the parameter I will send the hm dot values. So if you observe, hm stores the key value pairs. Keys are nothing but the elements inside the nums array, and values are nothing but their corresponding count. So if we send values as a parameter, we will get the a list of values, I mean count occurrences of the nums as a parameter, and it will compute the max of occurrences. So in this int max frequency, we are going to store to nothing but the count of 1 inside the nums array. So I will iterate once again inside the values of the hash map for int I colon hm dot values. So hash map has a function called inbuilt function called values, which will compute all the values from the hash map, which will get the fetches all the values from the hash map. Let me declare another variable to store the answer, and I will initialize it to 0. So when I encounter an element of frequency which is equal to max frequency, then I will increment the answer. Answer plus equal to, sorry, we need to have a condition here. If I double equal to max frequency, if I encounter any element with the max frequency, then I will add it to answer. Answer plus equal to I. At last, after the loop, I will return the answer. Let me run this code and check. We are getting some error. Collections dot max. Yeah. So for the syntax for the max function is lower m, not I kept upper m by mistake. I can see sample test cases are passing. Let me submit this code once. So this code is passing all the test cases. I will also post the video links of today's Coding Ninjas problem of the day in the comment section. Please make sure to check it out. And thanks for watching.